Hi, I'm Tim Brasher, Senior Director of Market Development at ADDMAN. I'm coming to you from ADDMAN's Additive Innovation Center in Fort Myers, Florida, one of ADDMAN's 7 U.S.-based production facilities. One of the most exciting parts about my job is building strategic partnerships with commercial innovators through our ADDMAN Alliance. ADDMAN brings solutions in a vast capability set, such as CNC machining, additive polymer, additive metal, polymer injection molding, engineering services, powder and material qualification, metallurgical qualifications, even design review and some light assembly. If these are capabilities that can help you in your journey, service your customers in your industries, please come join me at ADDMAN